the United States Champion, the Villain, Will Joe.
Seeing as the title is not on the line tonight, Corey, do you anticipate motivation being an issue for the champ?
Are you kidding me, Cole? Not only do I expect motivation to not be an issue for her here tonight, but I also expect her to wipe the floor with her opponent.